Okay guys, today we're going to be looking at the Eco Dutchman 71 8QB. This is a retro trailer. It's a 2008. It's really nice inside. First off, it has a front window, which is very beneficial to adding light to a trailer. This trailer comes with a power tongue jack, and you get the big tanks right here. Also has, manual stabilizers. You also have a manual awning right here. You do have outside light right here. I don't know what that is. So let's look inside. It's really nice inside this trailer. As you can see, it's really light in here. You have your main bed here. Tons of storage. Look like the people might have redone these cabinets, but they look really nice in here. This is a pre-owned one, so you have plenty storage, 2-burner range. Also, you have a microwave, which looks brand new. The AC, which looks brand new. This trailer pretty much looks brand new for what it is. It's a 2008. You have a gas electric stove or refrigerator right here. And check the bathroom out. Tons of room in here for a little 14-foot trailer. So yeah, if you guys have any questions on this little cute trailer, give me a call. It's a great price. Call me if you want to know about price. My name is Anthony.Fuller. You can reach me at 541-653-2818. Thank you.